Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online without investment, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. There are more ways to make money online with zero investment. One of the best ways to do that is through Kindle publishing. In my opinion, it's the fastest and easiest way to make money online, and it can be done without investing. You can create Kindle book, publish it, sell it online, and start making money from it without spending any money. So, how does this work? Let me break it down for you step by step so you can understand the whole process of it. First step, find the profitable niche. There are actually 3 niches that can make you the most amount of money. There is niche called how to make money, then health and fitness, and the last one is called dating or relationships. Choose one which is the closest to you or you are passionate about and start from there. Go to Google and search for Amazon Kindle Store bestsellers. Then click this link and go to Kindle eBooks. On the left side, there are lots of different categories you can choose from, and each one of them has 100 best paid ebooks. So for example, if I choose category health and fitness, on the left side you can see all these subcategories, and here you can find all the best-selling books. Finding a profitable niche requires some research, and you can also use some softwares that can make this much easier, but you can do it without spending any money. You have to find some category or topic that there is market for it and has some other similar books that are selling, and also it's not too competitive so you can stand out. Second step, title of your book. This depends on your category or niche you chose. You can check some other popular books in that category and make similar title based on that. Third step, make an eye-catching cover. You can do this by yourself and use free softwares like Canva, for example. Of course, it requires some skills if you want to make an outstanding or eye-catching cover. You can also outsource it and hire someone to do that for you. But if you want to do it with zero investment, you can always do it by yourself. You can find and use free images on Google and play with it by yourself. It's always fun to do stuff like that because of 2 things. First, you learn something new, and second, you take action. The more action you take, the faster you create that habit. Because taking action is the most important skill to have if you want to move forward towards your goals. Even though this is a small action, it always adds to the whole process. So you play with the image, add your title, and before you know, you have the cover ready with zero investment. Fourth step, write an ebook. This is something you should definitely outsource. If you are not a good writer, I highly recommend to hire someone that can write it for you. If you don't want to invest into this, you can always do it by yourself. You can get some help from your friends or some family members. All you need to do is to sit down and focus on writing. If you're not an expert in the topic, you can always use Google and look for some more information. So let's recap. You found your niche, you got your title, your cover and your book ready for publishing without spending any money. This may take you some time to finish all of this, but there is always an option to outsource it and save your time that way. 5th step, publish your book. You can go to kdp.amazon.com and you can create your account for free. Once you log in, you click on this Create New Title, Kindle Book, and here you upload your title, description, cover, your book, and also keywords in your niche, and on the next page you set the price and hit the publish button. You get your book live within 24 hours selling on Amazon as a Kindle book that will make you money without investment. 6th step, market your book. KDP has a special program that is free to join and it allows you to use free promotion. You can set up your book for free for up to 5 days. Your book becomes free for a short period of time. You get more downloads and your book will rank much higher. And after the free promotion, more people will see your book, which means you will make more money. You can also market and promote your book completely free using social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even YouTube. Anyways, this is the best method you can make money online without actually spending any money, with zero investment. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. If you have any questions, just go and comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.